Enable autologin on MODICIA O.S. 24. Download the file with the commands found below in the video description. Open Terminal. In the terminal window, copy the commands that found in the file, one at a time. Sudo gedit /etc/lightem/lightem.conf. Search for autologin user equals. Uncomment line, remove hashtag. And add username. Save the changes to the lightem.conf file and reboot the system. Upon startup, you will have automatic access without entering your username and password. Naturally, to have everything as it was at the beginning, simply perform the reverse procedure and restore the lightem.conf file to the initial configuration. Good work!